everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I have hopped on here just to share with y'all my latest digitals for the fall. I told y'all in a previous video, I have a bunch of videos, a bunch of digitals for the fall this this season. I got super excited about it. Fall is my favorite season. I couldn't help myself. I really went overboard with so many, and I'm like, I've got so many, I've got to separate these into different packages because they're not all going to fit on Etsy. So I have done that, and here's my newest apple orchards and pumpkin patches digitals. So we've got a bunch of shabby 8.5 by 11s, some pumpkins with roses, some sugared apples, candied apples, lace pumpkins, and I'm going to be using these on my fall mantle banner that I'm making, and I'm so excited. I just love gourds and pumpkins and apples too. Obviously love going to the apple orchard, but pumpkins and gourds are just something so cozy, and just I love going to the store, the market, and seeing all the big, huge, you know, like the white flat patty pan pumpkins and the warty pumpkins, and it just makes me excited. And I just love the way that these come out. Did I already show that one? No, I did not. I showed gourds, but not these gourds. Those apples look delicious. All right, so we have all of those 8.5 by 11s, and then we have ephemera here. We've got some leaves that you could fussy cut out, 2 guest checks, and the guest checks we've got a platter with the apples on them here, and we've got a platter cake stand with the pumpkins here. And I did print these out on photo paper instead of regular paper like I had the 8.5 by 11s printed on. I hope that y'all can see these and there's not too bad a glare. Let me see. I don't think it looks fine from what I can tell. And then here we have 2 envelopes with apples and pumpkins. So these could be folded and used as little envelopes. And here we have our tags, 4 tags. And here we have a total of, I think it is 18 minis. Some the same as the 8.5 by 11s and some different. All right, my YouTube family and friends, that is it for this digital kit. You can find it in my Etsy shop. I will leave that link. If y'all like what y'all are seeing and you haven't subscribed yet, I ask you to do so. I really, really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Y'all know how it works. For those of y'all that have already done it, thank you so much. If you're here and you're just watching and that is your support, I really appreciate that too. That does help. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. We'll talk again soon. Bye.